Hi guys, welcome to Luxuriant Curls. My name's Felicity and I'll be showing you guys how to deep condition your hair. Start with a bowl, just a regular bowl. It's plastic, nothing special. And I'm going to be using Argan oil from Morocco by Hask. Okay. Okay, so I went down to the cafeteria today because I don't have my own honey. I always put honey in my deep conditioner because it always makes my hair very moisturized and soft after I wash it. So there's not much in here. I grabbed what I could from the cafeteria. So also, I don't have a spoon with me. Usually when I'm at home, there's a spoon we use just to mix our hair products together, but the only spoon I have is for when I eat, and I'm not about to use it for hair products. Okay, and then we have Jamaican black castor oil. The brand is DNA. I don't put a lot in, just enough to have a thin film over the conditioner stuff. Also, do not use Jamaican black castor oil as just an oil, like just to moisturize your scalp, because if you do not wash it out, your hair will be itching. Me and my mom learned the hard way. And now that I have everything in here, it looks like this. Yeah. Okay, now that I've mixed it, it looks all mixed. So after I mixed it, I part my hair. So the clips I'll be using today are Power Grip clips, 4.5 inches. That's just the length of the clips, and it's by the Magic Collection. Okay. So next, what I do after I have my clips out, have my deep conditioner ready to go, I spritz my hair so it's wet, because when you put the deep conditioner on, when your hair is dry, it doesn't absorb it as well as it needs to. So first I'm gonna I just leave usually the bottom right. It's the first quadrant I always start on. So I'm gonna spray it with water. I usually have a towel, but I don't have another towel for my hair today, or to cover my body so my clothes don't get dirty. But that's okay. Okay. Make sure to get those ends. Okay, now that that's all damp, I get some in my hand, mix it together, and just grab the end, grab the root, and just work my way through. I get some, put it on my actual scalp, like that. And since my hair is straightened right now, it's easier to split so I can make them into twists. The bottom two quadrants, I always have 2 twists for each one.